Good morning students, standard 7th. Our topic it is HCF and LCM. See, in this topic we are studied how to find HCF methods we are studied, factorization, division method, LCM also we are studied. Afterward we are studied about the use of where we can use the LCM and HCF, and this practice set 14. In that I said you just solve a 4 sum. Then all these 4 we are completed. Then fifth one, reduce the fraction to the lowest form. Actually some children are not understand this, so I said next video I will send. So you have to once again watch it carefully. Reduce form means you have to just make it such a fraction can't able to divide any number. Okay. Then means you have to make it reduce like that. Our first question is there in that question 5, and practice question 5 it is there, practice set 14. Practice set 14, question number 5. Reduce we have to do first 348 and 319. When you want to reduce it, it is a division method you have to do. Means by division method directly we are getting a number HCF, and that HCF if you are dividing both you are getting the reduced form. So we have to find HCF. Then HCF in these two, there are two number 348 and 319. The smaller number always it is a divisor you have to take, and the greater number as a dividend you have to take, and you have to divide it. So 319 I will divide it 348. Now here only ones can go. So 319 ones, when you subtract it from it you can't subtract, so I will just borrow 18 minus 9 9, 3 minus 1 it is 2, and 3 minus 3 it is a 0. Now I will divide by 29 319. Now my dividend will become the previous divisor. This is my divisor for this one, then this one you have to take for a dividend. Now to remainder whatever remaining that you take as a divisor. So 29 I am dividing by 319. Now first two number 29 ones are 29, I will just do 11 minus 9, it is remaining 2, and means 2 you 11 minus 9 it is 2, 2 minus 2 0. The next number 9, 29 I taken, 29 ones are 29, so I got a remainder 0. Till you are getting the remainder 0 you have to divide it. By which divisor you got a remainder 0? 29. So therefore HCF it is a 29. When you get it, this is the finding HCF directly by division method, and when you get a HCF that, then you take a fraction 348 and 319. This HCF when you divide both you will get a reduced form. When you divide it, what you are getting? 29 ones are 29, and then 29 twos are means I am getting 12 here, and when you divide this 29 then I am getting as a 11. 20 when I divide it I am getting as a 11. If you divide it you are getting answer. Now 12 and 11 afterward they can't divisible by any number, so it is called as a reduced form. Okay, one more last sum I will explain in that only, at least second one you try, and third one I am going to explain. 437 dividing by 551 means reduced form you have to do. Now in this you check 437 and 551 which one is the smaller number? 437. So 437 mine is a divisor, and 551 is my dividend. Now it is a ones only will get 437. See my method, I am just subtracting 11 minus 7 4 1 carry, 5 minus 4 it is 1 1 0, 14 I am getting. Now 14 remainder I got, then which one it is divisor? 437. Once again I had to divide. When I dividing by 14, no I am taking sorry for 114 it is becoming, very sorry, here 5 we can't borrow here. 114 I had to divide 437 114 means it is then also nearest value it is 14, 437. Okay, 413. Okay, I will nearest 3s I will check it. 3s I am checking. 4 3s are 12, 3 1s are 3 and 1 4, 3 1s are 3, and 114 4 also I will check. 4 4s are 16, 4 1s are 4 and 5, 4 1s are 4. Now 456 I got, but here 437. From 437 we cannot subtract 456, so 3s I will take, that is a 342 we have to subtract. 7 minus 2 it is 5, 13 minus 4 I am getting 9, 1 carry 0, 95 I got remainder. Now my divisor, this is becoming dividend, means 114. 95 ones are I will do 95 ones are 95, because 114 you have to subtract it. So 14 minus 5 I am getting 9, 1 carry, 10 minus 1 got 19 I got. Now 19 it is, you have to divide by a 95. 19 table 95 is there, 19 5s are 95. So by which divisor we got a remainder 19? So HCF is what? 19. We want to reduce, means 437 and 551 you have to divide by 19 both. Then you will get it directly as a reduced form. When you divide it 19, you are getting 19 2s are 38, 23, and here you also you are getting 29. If you check it, you check everyone, you have to check it. Here I am not showing a division, in that only our then time it is going on. Understood? Then this is the reduce method is there. Next topic is the next question. Our next question, it is sixth one question. The LCM and SCF of two numbers are 437 and 72 respectively. If one of the number is 216, what is the other? See, we have studied the formula that product of the LCM and SCF of two number which is equal to the product of that number. Means product of two numbers which is equal to product of LCM into HCF of that numbers. Understood? So two numbers they not given. Suppose if that one said, suppose other number be X. So one number they are given, it is 216. So 216 multiplied by X, nothing but LCM they are given. LCM it is a 432, and HCF they are given, it is 72, and one number they are given as a 216. This is, you have to write a given part. Then this formula once again you have to write here. Means given this much, right? Formula, right? I am just substituting 216 multiplied by X is nothing but 432 multiplying 72. 432 multiplying 72. I want X I will keep here. 432 multiplying 72 upon 260. Now you can do a cancellation. You are in the now 7th standard, but you should to know how to easily you can do the calculation. Okay. Now here these are even numbers, it is easily. So first I will divide it by a 2. 2 3s are 6 and 2 6s are 12. 72 when you divide it I am getting 36. Similarly 2 1s are 2, 1 taking then 0, and what? 2 3s are 6. Understood? 2 3s are 6. 100 and 2 1s are 2 0 and 2 8s are 16. 2 how we are getting? 2 8s are 16. 108. Now 36 again I can divide by 2. 2 1s are 2 and 2 8s are 16. Here 2 5s are 10. 2 4s are 8. I know the 18 table 54 are there. 18 how much the? 18 3s are. Then 1s are and 3s are. I got here 3. Means just I did the cancellation. Same number you have to check are divisible by it. Now here upside 432 I got and down 3 is there. You just add their digit r, it is in a table of 3, then 3 it is divisible by. See, 4 plus 3 7, 7 plus 2 9, means it is divisible. So directly I can start 3 ones are 3, and here 3 ones are 3, 4 minus 3 1, 13 became 3 fours are 12, again 1 remain, 3 fours are 12. So x I got 144. It's another number. If you check a product of 216 and 144 and these two, you will get as the same. You can tally this one. Understood? Next one, it is the product of a two digit numbers is 765 and their SCF is a 3. Then what is the number? What is their LCM? Product they given means the same formula we are using. Product of the two numbers means see our which one sum, it is a 71 question, it is there. They given product of two numbers, which is equal to 765. LCM you have to find, SCF they are given as a 3. So I will write a formula, product of two numbers which is equal to LCM into SCF. Product here no need two numbers, direct 765 I will put. LCM I don't know. SCF I will put a 3. 3 you take for, here it is in multiplication means it's come for a division. Then 765 divided by a 3 which is equal to LCM. Okay. Now 3 you have to divide it. 3 2s are 6, 16 became 3 5s are 15, 3 5s are 15. What I got? 255, it is a LCM. If you are check it, you will get it as a 255. Understood? Now afterward there 8th question is there. A trader has a 3 bundles of a string, 392, 308, 490 meter long. What is the greatest length of a string that the bundle can be cut into without any leftover string? See, they ask the greatest means what the thing I said before also. If they are asking the smallest means you have to find the smallest, they said means you have to find the LCM least, and if they are telling a greatest means you have to find the LCM. LCM you have to find. Greatest they ask the GCD you have to find, and highest means, and smallest they are said then LCM. So here you have to find a GCD of these all 3 numbers. So by vertical method, horizontal method that you have to do, you will get it. So I am not showing this one, but the next sum I just want to explain it. Next sum is what? Which two consecutive even numbers have an LCM is a 180. See, they consecutive, the word even number means what? A number which is divisible by a 2. They are called as even number. But what is mean by a consecutive? Consecutive means the next. See, our natural numbers are consecutive. 1, 2, 3 means they are increasing by 1. So consecutive even numbers means what? 2, 4, 8. These are numbers. All even numbers are. Then 2 after it is increasing by 2. Then I am getting the next one. It is increasing by 2. So these are called the consecutive number. Consecutive means the next one, whatever serially in between not, means 2 consecutive 8 will not become. 2's next 4 only it is even number should be there. So this is called as a consecutive. Consecutive word you may be heard previous also in a scholarship only, mostly these are we are using. So here they said, now they said 2 consecutive. Suppose I take an example 2 and 4. 2 factor it is a 2 into 1 and 4 factor it is 2 into 2 and again 1. Then what is the HCF? HCF I am getting the common factor 2 and 1, their product means 2. Then you observe that any consecutive even numbers HCF is what will get? Always 2, because they will common that only. here 2 at least they having the common, so even consecutives HCF is a 2. If HCF is a 2, then product of two numbers we don't know what we will get. Then product of two numbers, they given LCM 180 they given. See which two consecutive numbers have an LCM 180. LCM they given, HCF just now we are calculated, and their product we want. So product of a two number is nothing but their LCM into HCF. So mine LCM it is 180, HCF I got a 2. So their product 360 means two numbers product it is a 360. Now how can I get the which two numbers are there? For that purpose you have to first factorize it. Then 360 I will factorize. Okay. 2 ones are 2, then 16, 2 8s are 0s are. Again 2 9s are 18, 0s are. Then again it is divisible by 2, 2 4s are 8, 2 5s are 10. Now it is not a even number, it is not divisible by 2, then it will divisible by 3. 3 1s are 3, 3 5s are 15, 3 5s are 15, 5 1s are 5. So these are the factors. 360's factor I got 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 5. You have to make a bunch, means the product of such a whose difference is a 2. Between that number should be difference, it should be 2. Now we will check 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, and 8 3s are 24, and 3 5s are 15. Then 24 and 15, it is much difference, these two are not there. Okay, 3 3s are 9, and 9 2s are 18, and 2 2s are 4, 4 5s are 20. Just you see 18 and 20, what I am getting? 360. So product of a two number I want a 360. So I made a 360 such a way, I removed the factor, and that factor you have to make in a two groups. Such a group you have to make a prepare, their difference should be as a 2. So you just see 18 and 20, they are consecutive even number. 18 after 20 only we are getting, and if you see their product we are getting 360. If you find its LCM then also you will get it, and if you find HCF 180, LCM 180 and HCF will get a 2. This way you have to do. First you have to calculate HCF. This one you don't write, you just confirm their HCF. HCF you have to write before here. What you will write before this one for explanation I told you. HCF of two even consecutive number is 2, and then HCF which is equal to 2 into 1, 2 got HCF. Then product of two number, LCM already they give 1, and LCM you can write here LCM 180 given. So we have to substitute 360 factorize you do, and in that you arrange. Therefore the two numbers are 18 and 20. Like that you have to do. Understood? Okay. Now today we will stop here. Complete this practice set. We will see tomorrow. Okay. Good day.